Welcome to today's edition of Daily Market Rundown, where we break down the key financial headlines shaping the Indian economy and the global world. In today's session, we'll be covering the sharp rebound in the crude oil prices, Tata Elxsi's strategic partnership with Mercedes-Benz R&D India, a cool down in wholesale inflation to 13-month low, and the outperformance of Tier 2 IT firms in Q4 FY25. So let's dive into the details. Starting with the global commodity markets, crude oil prices have rallied 13% from their early May lows, reaching two-week high. The rebound is being driven by multiple global factors, including the rising geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, particularly the conflict between Israel and Hezbollah, creating supply disruption fears. Meanwhile, the supply cuts by OPEC Plus members like Saudi Arabia and Russia, they are tightening global oil markets. On the demand side, the hopes of fresh stimulus from China are boosting sentiment, while US crude inventories have shown a sharp decline, signaling stronger than expected consumption. With these supply and demand forces at play, analysts believe that the crude oil may remain volatile but supported in the near term. Moving to the auto tech space, Tata Elxsi has partnered with Mercedes-Benz R&D India to accelerate the development of software-defined vehicles, that is SDVs. This collaboration builds on a decade-long relationship and aims to enhance vehicle software systems covering everything from in-car features to autonomous driving and EV functionality. Following the announcement, Tata Elxsi stock gained over 1.5% intraday, and the deal positions Tata Elxsi as a key contributor in the global automotive software space, especially as the industry pivots towards digital-first vehicles. In the inflation front, India's wholesale inflation cooled to a 13-month low of 0.85% in April, down sharply from 2.05% in March. The declaration was largely led by falling vegetable and fuel prices. Food inflation dropped to 2.5%, while fuel prices contracted by 2.18%, driven by easing global oil prices. Core inflation remained soft, indicating stable prices across non-food, non-fuel categories, with both retail and wholesale inflation below RBI 4% target. Now, economists anticipate more room for monetary easing, though this may support consumption and growth ahead of the festive season. And finally, we'll be looking at the tech sector, where we see that the Tier 2 IT firms, they are outshining the big tech firms in Q4 FY25. Mid-tier IT firms like Coforge, L&T Infotech, and Persistent Systems, they have outperformed the larger peers like TCS and Infosys in Q4 FY25, while Tier 1 players posted muted revenue growth of 3 to 4% due to US and Europe slowdowns. Tier 2 companies clocked 7 to 10% growth by focusing on niche verticals such as automotive, global capability centers, and engineering R&D. Margins were also steady, with both segments showing strong cost control. The Nifty IT index has bounced back nearly 27% from its lows, reflecting investor optimism, and analysts say that Tier 2 agility and specialization are helping them weather micro headwinds more effectively than the larger players. So that's a wrap on today's daily market rundown. From the surge in crude oil prices and Tata Elxsi's Mercedes-Benz deal to cooling wholesale inflation and Tier 2 IT standout, today's session covered key developments across energy, tech, policy, and software. Stay tuned for more such updates to keep you ahead in the ever-evolving world of business and finance.